He needs to get out in the yard. Pull it out. Jay, what do you think of your lawnmower, honey? Jay. Jay, can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? Hello? Jay. Oh. Jay, can you say thank you? The lawnmower's a hit. Jay, can you mow the lawn over here? Bring it here to Mommy. Come here. Come here. Well, so much for Michael's nice molding job there. My favorite line it says is, "First down and 10 yards to mow." Makes a lot of good noise. Come here, Jay. Bring it this way. Jay, bring it to Mommy. Come show me what you got. Boy, you're getting all the grass. Can you say thank you? Thank you. Are you going to mow my bag down? That is very cool. Okay, go get Daddy with it. Where's Daddy?